I thought about it. I got you. Check this out. So you bought your 360 booth, your audio guest book, your cold sparks, and you guys realize you guys have no content, right? Like, what do I post on my website? What do I post across social media? I don't have content yet. I thought about it. And lately, I've been putting out some fire videos on Instagram, and some of you guys are complimenting those videos, asking me what I'm using to shoot to capture such great looking footage. Well, keep in mind, guys, I'm using a recording setup, and it's like over $2,000. It's the Canon camera, and I'm shooting at 4K 60 frames per second, and then I'm using a Sigma lens attached to that Canon camera. That's another $700, so it's a little over $2,000 I'm shooting with. I'm not shooting with an iPhone, and this is how I'm able to acquire such dope videos that I'm posting on Instagram. Along with that, I'll go ahead and put my logo on there so that no one steals those videos. So I thought about it, and I think this is what I'm gonna do. In fact, let's just do this, okay? So I'm gonna put together my hottest video edits that I've had. I'm gonna remove my logo, and then I'm gonna export it at 1080p at 60 frames per second, which is what I use to post across social media. And this is how I'm able to get those smooth, vivid looking videos, 1080 by 60 frames per second. So what I'm gonna do is, for everyone watching this right now, if you are the first 10 people to go on my online store, enter the checkout code YouTube, you will get that download for absolutely free, okay? In addition to that, you're gonna get 83 high quality photos, and these photos consist of the photo booth, the cold sparks, people engaging with the 360 booth. This is perfect content that you guys can use to post across all social media. That's gonna be available right now. So remember, if you are the first 10 of you guys are gonna get that download for absolutely free. And this download, guys, it's more quality than quantity, right? So this video you guys can chop up into 10-second snippets and post across social media every other week, okay? Please do that. That really helps with the algorithm. And also use golden keywords that are gonna benefit your business, keywords that reflect your local area along with the service that you're providing as a photo booth rental business. Remember, guys, the checkout code is YouTube. Get this for absolutely free for the first 10 people. I hope this content helps, guys. This content will not have my logo, so you guys can go ahead and add your logo and whatever music you want when you guys upload to your social media accounts. Good luck on your next event, guys. I hope this helps. Peace.